everyone, so today I'm doing a makeup tutorial with the Honey ColourPop yellow eyeshadow palette. That is what the shades look like. I already applied my face makeup, Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, so I'm just going to apply that to my lid. NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I'm just applying that on my lid here all the way up to my brow bone. I'm going to start off with the Stinger color right here and the Sweet Spot. And I'm going to mix these two and apply that to my crease. So I'm going to use my crease brush and just apply that to the crease here. And that's just going to be a nice transition shade. I'm going to take the Totally Buggin' and I'm going to apply that to the crease as well. I'm taking that Totally Buggin' color again and I'm going to apply that to my lid, my flat shader brush. To intensify my crease color with the Buzzkill shade, and I'm just going to kind of start on the outer corner. So I'm going to be using my flat shader brush once again, but I am using the Dandy color here on my lid. Is the Sunburst shade here, and I'm just going to apply that to my inner corner. And use the Sunburst again and lightly tap it and just apply that lightly on the brow bone. Okay, so now I am using my 18-Hour Essence Super Last Eyeliner in Deep Black. I'm just going to apply that to my top lash line. So now that the liner is done, I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm going to use the shade Buzzkill, apply that to the lower lash line, and I'm going to use this brush here. Now that that's done, I'm going to be using my eyelash curler to curl my lashes. My Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Lash Extension Mascara. Now that the mascara is done, I'm going in with my Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Can't Relate. So this is the finished look. If you do like what you're seeing, then please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to receive more notifications when I upload more videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.